Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So, we are going to start with grade 4 maths. So, you have to go to A plus website. You can find the lesson on the A plus. So, just go to aplusstudents.com, log in using your provided email address and password, then select math, scroll down to go to grade 4 maths, then view all lessons, grade 4, click on view all lessons and see the very first lesson, grade 3, sorry, not grade 4. Scroll down to grade 3 maths and then view all lessons. And there you will find the very first lesson, that is numbers and comparing. Select the lesson number and comparing and click on the continue button. And start with the very first lesson, that is write numbers in the word. Write numbers in words. So you can find the lesson on A plus. Just go to aplusstudents.com, then select login using your email address and password provided by the administration. Then select the maths, then grade 3 maths, then select numbers and comparing and click on the continue button and then write number in words. So we are going to start with the first lesson, that is write number in words. Click on the continue button and you're on the lesson. Okay, the lesson name is write numbers in words. Okay, so how do you write this number using words? You are given with a number and you have to write the number in the word. How do you write this number using words? And the number is 98. Okay, so we have to write the numbers. We have to remember how do we write the numbers from 21 to 99. Let's recall them. We can write them as tens and ones. The ones are 1, ONE1, then 2 is TWO2. You can memorize these spellings. Then for 3, they are THREE3. Then for 4, they are FOUR4. Then for 5, they are FIVE5. Okay, then for 6, they are SIX6. For 7, they are SEVEN7. For 8, they are EIGHT8. For 9, they are NINE9. And for 10, they are 10. Okay, then after the 10, you have 20. Then you have tens, they are like 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90. Okay, so just look at this number. This is 98. So first you have to look at, write the tens part. The tens part is 90. So here you have 90. So write the 90 from here, and then 98, and 8 is from the ones digit. So here you have 8. So 98. So this way you can write the number using this table. You just need to memorize this table. You memorize the numbers from 1 to 9, and then from 20 to 90. You can make the rest of the numbers by using this table. Got it? You can write 98 as 90 and put a hyphen in 98. Got it? Okay. The next one is, how do you write this number using digits? Okay, now we have to write the number using digits. Okay, the next one is, how do you write this number using digits? Okay, the number is 40. So just look at the table. We have written the numbers with. So see, here is 40, and there you have a 14 numbers. You can write as 4 and 0. So you can write 40 as 4 and 0. Got it? Okay, the next one is, okay, the next one is, how do you write this number using digits? How do you write this number using digits? And it is 11. So you have to remember how to write the numbers from 11 to 20. So we can write them as ELEV and 11. For 12 it is TWELVE 12. For 13 they are THIRTEE and 13. For 14 they are FOURTEE and 14. For 15 it is FIFTEE and 15. Then for 16 SIXTEE and 16. For 17 SEVENTEE and 17. You just need to remember these spellings. That's why I am re 18. EIGHTEE and 18. NINETEE and 19. And then TWENTY 20. So here you have 11, ELEVE and 11. So you can write it in digits as 11. 1 and 1, it makes 11. Got it? Okay, the next one is, How do you write this number using digits? And the number is 47. So let me make the table once and then we'll use this table for rest of the questions. Tens and ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then you have tens. So 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and then 90. Okay, so we have to write the how do you write this number using words? And the number is how how do you write this number using words? And the number is 38. So first we when we pronounce them 38, first we pronounce the tens. So 30, here you have 30, so write 30 from here, then put a hyphen and write the ones part. The ones part is 8, so here you have 8. So that's how you make 38. Got it? Okay. So on the top right corner you have a test button. Just click on the test button so that we can do some practice questions. Okay, the first one, are you on test? Okay. Okay, the first one is how do you write this number using digits? We have to write the number using digits. It is the number is given in words and we have to write it as digits. And the number is 25. Okay, so here we have 20 and here you have 5. So for the tens digit you just need to write the digit that is at the tens place. That in the 20 you have to write the 2, and for 5 write the 5 from the ones. So here you have 5, so you can make 25 like this. So you are given with 4 of the options. Select the correct option. The correct option is 25 and then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is how do you write this number using words? Now you are given with the digits and you have to write it in words. How do you write this number using words? And the number is 45. Okay, so like we pronounce 40. So first we pronounce the tens digit. So the tens digit is 40. So write the tens digit from here. FORTY 40 and then 5 from the ones digit. So 40, put a hyphen and it is 45. You are given 4 of the options 42, 55, 45 and 42. So the third one is the correct option, that is 45, and then click on the OK button. The next one is, how do you write this number using words? So the number is 31. So when we pronounce 31, first we pronounce the tens digit 30. So here you have 30, write the 30 and then put a hyphen sign, and 31. So write the 1 from the ones. So it's 31. Got it? You are given four of the options. The first one is 38, 31, 28, and 21. So second one is the correct option, 31. Select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is, how do you write the number using digits? How do you write the number using digits? That means you are given the words, you have to write it in digits. That is 1. So how do we write 1? Like this. We can write 1 from here. You have 1, so write the 1 in the digit form. So you are given 4 of the options. So the last one is the correct option, and then click on the OK button. Got it? How do you write this number using words? That means you are given digits, you have to write it in words. How do you write this number using words? And the number is 60. We have to write it in words. So here you have the words for 60. It is SIXTY, 60. So you're given 4 of the options. Select the correct option. It's the second one, and then click on the OK button. Okay, for the next one, move on to next question. How do you write this number using digits? And the number is 40. So here we have 40 in the table. You just need to memorize this table, and then you can do the counting from 1 to 100. Got it? So you are given 4 of the options. Select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is, how do you write this number using digits? And the number is 7. So you can find it in ones, under the ones column. Here you have 7, so write the 7 like this in the words. So you are given 4 of the options. Select the correct option, click on the OK button. The next one is, how do you write this number using words? Okay, 71. So 70, first find the 70 in the table. Here you have 70, and put a hyphen sign and 1 in, you can find the 1 in the ones column. So here you have 1. So here, this way you can write 71. You have given 4 of the options. Select the correct option. The correct option is 71, and then click on the OK button. The next one is, how do you write this number using digits? Any number is 11. So you can find the 11 in the table. You can write 11 like this. Got it? You are given four of the options. Select the correct option and move on to the next question. How do you write this number using words? 67. So 60. First we pronounce the one tens digit. Here you have 60. Put a hyphen sign and find the 7 in the ones column. So here you have ones column, here you have 7. So 67. Got it? Okay, so we have done almost 10 questions from the test. You can complete the test by yourself. Also, if you need more help, you have any question, any confusion, you can contact any tutor on the Skype from 5 to 9. Got it? Also, you can find a lesson on grade 3 maths. Just log into, go to A plus website, aplusstudents.com. Then log in using your provided email address and password. Then go to maths. Then go to grade 3 maths. There you can find the first lesson, counting and comparing. Continue with the lesson. You can find the topic, that is write number in words. Okay, I'm moving on to the next lesson. The lesson, just click on the back button and find the lesson right below the one we just did. Ordinal numbers to hundreds. The lesson name is Ordinal numbers to hundredth. Okay, so first, before doing this lesson, you need to understand two very important concepts, and these concepts are cardinal numbers, cardinals, and ordinals. So first we are going to learn what are cardinal numbers. So a cardinal number says how many of something. Like if you have to count something, that means they are cardinal numbers. How many of something. For example, 1, 2, 3, or either you can write like in words 1, 2, 3. Like you can ask, you have, let's suppose you have dots. You have 5 dots. You can say, here are 5 dots. You can count them, so they are cardinal. Got it? Just remember from this C, you can remember you have to count them. So C is counting. So cardinal means the things you can count them are cardinal numbers. Got it? Okay, now let me explain what are the ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers. Okay, and ordinal numbers tell us the position of something in a list. That tells the position of something. Like first, second, third. Basically, these are the numbers that tells the position. So from O, you can order. That ordinal says what order things are in. So ordinal numbers are the positions of something, and cardinal numbers are how many of them. Got it? That's the basic difference between cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers. Now let's start doing examples, then it would be more clear to you. So let's start with an example. So the first example is, which of the following are cardinal numbers? You are given three of the numbers and you need to see which of them are cardinals. Okay, which of the following are cardinal numbers? Okay, the numbers are 1, 22nd, and 67th. Okay, so which of them are cardinal? Only the one is the cardinal, because you can just count by one, but 22nd and 67th tells you the order of something. Got it? So the only cardinal here is 1. The other twos are ordinals because they are the order of something. Got it? Okay, let's do another example. Write the 32nd letter in the passage. What is 32nd letter in the passage? Okay, let me write down the passage. Okay, that's the passage. Don't count your chickens before they are hatched. Okay, so you are given with a hint. Every 10th letter is red. That means the letter that is at the 10th position are red. You have to count the 32nd. You have to count the 32nd letter. Wait. Okay, you have to count the 32nd letter. Okay, so count the red lessons by 10 until we reach 30th, because we have to count the 32nd. Okay, so this one is at the 10th position, then this one is at the 20th position because 10 plus 10 makes 20, so n is at the 20th position. Then this e is at the 30th position. You have to count the 32nd, so then count up from 30 by counting the black letters. This is the 31st letter, and R is at the 32nd position. So that means R is at the 32nd position. Got it? What we did, we have to count the 32nd letter in the passage, and you are given the every red letter is at the 10th position. So the first one is at the 10th position. The second red is at the 20th position, because starting from here 10 plus 10 makes 20. So this is at the 20th position. This is at the 30th position. You have to count 32nd. So count two more from 30th. This is 31st and this is 32. So R is at the 32nd letter. So basically this is the ordinal. 32nd is an ordinal U, because you found the position of the letter R. So R is at the 32nd position. Got it? Okay, on the top right corner you have a test button. So just click on the test button so that we can do some practice questions. Okay, so have you started test? Okay, let me read the question from the test. Okay, the first one is, which of the following are ordinal numbers? You are given three of the options. You need to see which of the following are ordinal numbers. Okay, the options are 28, 56 and 38. So you need to see which of them are ordinals. So for ordinal, O refers the position. So always the numbers that are like this, 28, they are the ordinals, because they tell you the position of something, and the rest of the numbers are cardinals. So you have only one ordinal, that is 28. Select the correct option. The first option is the correct one. You are given three of the options. The first one is the correct one, and then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is, I'm on the next question. Okay, the next one is, which of the following are ordinal numbers? So the options you are given with are 26, 84, and 67th. So which of them are ordinal? Only 67th is an odd, because this way you can tell the position of something. So only 67 is ordinal. The rest of the two are the cardinals. Got it? So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is, which of the following are cardinal numbers? Okay, now we have to see which of them are cardinal numbers. And the options are 20, 69th and 59th. So which of them are cardinal? Only 20 is cardinal. The rest of the two numbers are numbers can tell you the order of something, so they are cardinals. They are ordinals. So only 20 is the cardinal. Got it? Only 20 is the cardinal. The rest of them are ordinals. Select the correct option. 20 is the correct option, and then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is, which of the following are cardinal numbers? You are given four of the options. The first one is 92, then 72nd, then 58th, and then 23rd. Okay, which of them are cardinal? Only 92 is the cardinal, because the rest of three are, it tells you the position of something. Like 72nd, it is, you can write it like this: 72nd, 58th, and 3rd. So rest of the three are the ordinals. Only 92 is the cardinal. Got it? Because you can count something like 92, not 92nd and 72nd. So 92 is the cardinal. Got it? Select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is, what is the this is the house that Jack built. So the passage is too long. I'm just writing the one until you get the required answer. Okay. The question is, write the eighth letter in the passage. Write the eighth letter in the passage. And you are given the hint. Every 10th letter is read. So if this is the 10th letter, you have to find the eighth one. That means you just need to move two back. This is the ninth and this is the eighth. So H is at the eighth position. Got it? H is at the eighth position. Actually, the passage is too long. I've just written the one that is required for the answer. For the answer, you have to find the eighth letter. So you are given with a hint that is every 10th letter is read. So if this is the 10th letter, the previous one is ninth, and if you move one more position back, that means this is the H. So H is at the eighth position. You are given four of the options. Select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is, which of the following are ordinal numbers? You are given four of the options. You need to see which of them is ordinal. Which of the following are ordinal numbers? Okay, you are given four of the options. They are 44th, then 14, then 8, and then 1. So can you answer which of them are ordinal? Only 44th is an ordinal, because you have to pronounce 44th. Rest of them are just the numbers 14, 8 and 1. So the only ordinal number here is 44. Got it? Select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is, what is the 55th letter? What is the 55th letter in the passage? What is 55th letter in the passage? Let me write down the passage. Okay. Okay. So that's actually the passage, and you have to find the 55th letter. So as a hint, you are given every 10th letter is red. Let me mark them. So you have to find the 55th letter. So, okay, every 10th letter is red. So count the red letters by tens until we reach 50. So 10, this is 10th position. This is then at the 20th position because 10 plus 10 makes 20. Then 20 plus 10 makes 30 position. This red is at the 40th position and Y is at the 50th position. You have to find 55th. So then count up from 50 by counting 5 black letters: 51, 52, 53, 54, and 55. So I is at the 55th position. So you are given four of the options. They are O, I, N, and G. So I is at the 55th position. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. So we have done 7 of the test questions. So you have to do rest of the test questions by yourself. If you have any problem, any question, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from 5 to 9, Monday to Friday. So you have to complete these tests by your. We have done 2 of the lessons today. You can find them on aplusstudents.com. Then you can log in on the website by using your email address and password provided by the administration. Then go to maths. Then you can scroll down to grade 3 maths, go to grade 3, click on the view all lessons. You can find the first topic, that is counting and comparing, I think. Let me just confirm. Just it is Yes, it is numbers and counting. Numbers and comparing, sorry. It is numbers and comparing. And see the first two lessons we just did, they are write numbers in words, and the second one is ordinal numbers up to 100. So complete the tests for the topics. If you have any problem, just go to Skype, contact any tutor. They are available from 5 to 9. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye.